In 301.4, all 94 petitioners are not appointed by the board in the state.
That supports what I'm saying.
They are not appointed at any stage. They are claiming to be in appointment in some management.
So they were not in service at all.
No.
So we will not go into those. That how can we go into those questions?
By getting a explanation, compete in the examination. So this. They are ready to put it in affidavit that they have pleaded something completely contrary to what is actually there. No, they have taken the course afterwards as Appendix 9 course in the regulation.
He's saying
It's Appendix 9 course.
We are, in fairness, we are limiting it only to those who have taken the NIOS by 31st March 2019. We're not dealing with anybody else. If Mr. Chatterjee is right, then those people will not get it.
In fact, Lordship,
Millets, we stand by our statement.
2010, the training was not a qualification.
Millets,
I want to first show you this.
In different matters, different states.
There have to be those original petitioners over those states.
We cannot.
The state.
No, no. In your matter, who is your opponent? Which is your opponent?
State.
Which state?
Uttarakhand, man.
Uttarakhand.
Uttarakhand Lordship has dismissed the review. I have the order. That's Lordship will kindly see the number. I have the order. This is Jaiveer Singh versus Union of India review.
D.EL.ED matter. My lord said that whatever Uttarakhand High Court has appeared in that matter.
Same matter, no?
Is it?
So in that matter, here had come in SWP. Whatever they decide. In that issue was fine. This is not as with the SWP of 24.
We will have to hear the
it
states.
needs to be.
Very good. Very good.
And Millets, we stand by our statement. We were in-service candidates. At
We will only consider only such persons who were already in employment
Yes,
on
Correct.
22nd of September 2017.
Yes, Lord.
Correct. In fact,
Lordship,
that
what
fact.
happened is in 2010, when the Right to Education Act came, there was no training qualification required at that stage. So, the government gave a 5-year window for getting the training done till 2015. When this was not completed in 2015, it was extended till 2017, and the
So
extension.
we have traced it. We have traced the entire history in our judgment. It was a special provision
Yes.
needed to meet that deadline.
Deadline. For the requirement of to meet the requirement party.
Act in the state prior to 2017. They are not showing anything, any document.
We are not going to, even if we allow or clarify the order, we are not going to consider individual cases. We will only say
Yes, that's
that such of the
Correct.
teachers who were in employment on that date
Precisely.
should be considered as having the necessary qualification under.
State statute. Because
In fact,
they are claiming in
the
some
proviso
Under the state statute, if they were in employment on particular date, we will not.
section 23, just one
They are
minute,
saying
one
we are
minute, Bernard.
employment with the school.
23
That school
to-
is an aided school or government school, and we don't have a data.
No, so I'm
Let's
agreeing with Mr.
condition.
Chatterjee.
If you don't have a data, if their services are not reputed, they are out of the court.
That's correct.
Yeah,
So,
we-
so let's, just to help, just,
How can that they claim? How can they claim that?
Their initial appointment was
No,
irregular.
but then the NEOS
Yes.
was permitted to conduct that examination only for in-service candidates.
Yes.
And the NEOS could not have considered the examination for anybody else.
They have appointment to allow this course to be done by anybody.
No.
No, not at all. Exactly.
what is he saying?
Who were in employment.
That's exactly.
No, if the NEOS has permitted those candidates to appear, it is presumed that they will be in employment.
Well, let's, in fact, section 23(2) provides.
But one thing is clear.
Yes.
We will be putting up a deadline of 22nd September 2017
Yes.
who were in employment on that day?
No, that's what I wanted to tell you, Lordship. The section requires, and I'm making it against myself, I need to be fair. Section 23(2) proviso of the Act says, provided further that every teacher appointed or in position as on 31st March 2015. 2015, that's the cutoff date, 31st March 2015, who does not possess minimum.
Also, then we'll protect only such persons who were in employment on that.
Absolutely, that's the correct, that's the correct.
23(2).
So, वो बाकी सब एमएस में वगैरह भी नोटिस दे देना, notice returnable 4 weeks. That's what we are saying.
In all MAs also, notice needs to be.
No further hearing. We'll only be clarifying this position.
Absolutely.
So that is being misinterpreted because I don't think that.
So just, I mean, if there won't be any further hearing, let me show you one page, page 686, which I was just showing you in that fat volume. It's a notice by the government of Assam, which refers to your Lordship's judgment and says, the advertisements were prepared and published in compliance with the order dated so-and-so, and as your SLP so-and-so, where it is stated that the qualification of 18-month D.EL.ED acquired from NIOS is no longer a valid qualification to be eligible for fresh recruitment to the post of teachers. They said this is with the
We'll clarify that.
Just clarify.
That they will be entitled only if they were in service on 15th of.
On 31st March 2015.
2015.
So you issue notice in all the MS. Returnable. When can they be served?
As soon as we have served, notice has gone, just one, notice has gone in all 9 MAs already. In the review, we are taking fresh notice from your Lordships. If your Lordships will give us Dasti, we have served them, but give us Dasti as well. We'll serve them again.
Returnable on 11 December.
11 December is fine.
City, my lords, needs 4 weeks time to file our plan.
What is your stand? You have supported the petitioners before the High Court. Now you can't change.
Supported.
So then for what?
All are supporting but arguing also.
So should we keep it in December or January? What is
December was fine. This small clarification. I mean, there doesn't seem to be much cavil.
returnable on 10th of December?
So wait.
Liberty to serve the state government through standing councils.
Great.
कोई 3:30 बजे